So let's try using this new tool that I haven't tried before, which is Publish to NWC. So if you see it here, it is a good one. So let's try it out. So first, whenever we click in here, it says select a view set from your model. So if you don't have any sets, you won't be able to use it. So let's cancel out of here and let's go to set some printing options. So to set out this, you can go to print, and in here you can go to select views and sheets, and in here you can just select a few views. Maybe we can select a 3D or a few of these, and even some elevations or floor plans can be also selected, and then we save it. This is the set. So I will just leave it at set 1 for now, and I will click OK. We are not going to print. This was just to set the set, and now we are going to close this window. Now we can see what we see in Publish to NWC format tool. So now we see the set 1. So we can have pretty much all the sets that we want, maybe for every single package that we have. And in here, we will be able to select what we want to publish. Maybe we don't want one of these ceilings, or we don't want one of these 3D views, and we need to select where. Actually, it will go to the same location that this file is saved in. So in this case, I will change this location. I will leave it in my desktop, and I will click publish. And now let's publish this, so we can go to our desktop and find all these 3D views that have been created. Okay, so that's good. We see that we have them. So if we go to navisworks now, we should be able to open them and see what we get. So in this way, we can bring many 3D views. Okay, so for example, I will append the desktop is 3D view, so I don't need everything. I just need my cache files. We can bring all of them at once. Okay, so we see it in here, and in our tree selection, or selection tree, we can actually turn some of this off. So Control H in this case. I click Control H. Okay. So let's try and hiding all of it, and let's see what we see in elevation south. So like that, we see pretty much, yeah, we do have a sweet way to view. So that's cool. Let's try another one. So let's hide this one with Control H, and let's bring this one. Okay, so we also have a different view. Okay, so I like it. And these walls, yeah, this is why we see them, because they were modeled from the first floor or ground floor to the top. So yeah, let's see another one. So let's hide this one, and let's bring the side. Okay. It will bring everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. Let's try another one with this one. Okay, this is cool. Yeah, so if we want to have maybe from just one single model and extract all the disciplines, we can do that with just different views set up correctly, and we can bring all of them at once. So that's cool. I like it.